friends, I'm Alicia here, and today we are going to try the popular taste of Saudi Arabia, and it's none other than al-Baik. It's a personal pride of people of Saudi Arabia, and now UAE residents also get a chance to try out this popular broasted chicken. Al-Baik opens its first outlet in Dubai Mall, and people of UAE accepted them wholeheartedly. Al-Baik is Saudi's most popular fast food restaurant chain headquartered in Jeddah. They primarily sell broasted and fried chicken with a variety of sauces. Al-Baik was first founded by Shakur Abu Ghazala with the intention of serving people high quality food at affordable prices. Saudi Arabia's beloved fried chicken is now open in Dubai Mall food court. As we went in the weekend, we had to wait in a queue for more than half an hour to place our order. For time being, only fillet sandwiches, nuggets and shrimps are available. We tried chicken nuggets and loved the taste. It was really juicy and the taste was unique. People are giving too much hype so that when you expect more, you may get disappointed. But I assure you, it's worth trying and the taste is unique. Another attraction is their affordable price. Only 15 dirhams for 10 nuggets, 2 burger buns and garlic paste. enjoyed the Al-Baik chicken nuggets and was satisfied with the taste. We went to enjoy the Dubai Mall fountain show after dinner. If you are coming to try Saudi's popular Al-Baik at Dubai Mall, I recommend weekdays are better to avoid waiting in long queues. So hope you enjoyed our vlog. Keep supporting me and please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel. So till I come up with a new video, it's bye from Alicia and Zian.